if you would not like to watch me receive my Summit and go to the store and all the stuff in between, please skip to this time below. And if it's not there, it will be in an annotation. And for the mobile users, I am sorry, but it's just that. Just watch it and try and skip through it. So enjoy the video. Hey guys, I'm off to get my Summit today. I'm going to Hobbytown and sitting in the car right now waiting for my mom to write a check for it. I'm paying for it, but all my money's in the bank account, so I'm just going to transfer it over to their bank account once we get back. Yeah, this is the unboxing video for it. Right now I'm filming getting it. I'll see you guys at the hobby store.
Has everything except battery charger. You have battery charger?
Yeah, from Dad's gonna buy
Batteries. You got one?
one. Dad's gonna buy you a charger? Where? Oh, okay.
This might be the biggest one they make.
Is it?
It is. $26.25.39. Saving your money for how long?
So I'm gonna pay part 2 months. That should be